Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show how to fix the insert SIM card error while linking the bank account in banking applications in recovery rooms and in routed devices. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, guys, once I will show this insert SIM card error problem in my device. Guys, I'm already logged into the Google Pay account. So, but when I am trying to link the bank account in Google Pay, so here you can see that insert SIM card to register. Though in my mobile the Jio SIM is already inserted, but it is asking to insert the SIM card to register. So to fix this error in your mobile, Magisk Manager must be installed and your device must be rooted. So guys, after installing the Magisk Manager, open it. On the top right corner, go to the settings and then enable the Magisk Guide option and then enable the super user access. So after enabling the super user access, go back to home and then tap on the second icon and tap on Magisk Guide. So select the app in which you want to fix the insert SIM card error. So simply select the Google Pay and then go back to home and then tap on the fourth icon, module section, and search for app systemizer. So simply tap on the install option, download option, and then install it. So guys, after installing it, simply reboot your device. So guys, after rebooting your device, go to the Play Store and then search for Termux app. So just install it and open it. So after opening the Termux app, type SU to grant the root permissions. So it will ask you to grant the root permission. So just grant it. So after granting the root permissions, type systemize and then tap on enter. So guys, then select systemize install apps. So simply tap one and then enter. So it will take some time to load the apps. So guys, after apps are loaded, so select the app in which you want to fix the SIM card error. So I am selecting Google Pay. So it is 8. So simply tap 8, type 8 and tap on enter. So guys, after enter, so simply select this option, system private app. So simply tap on 2 and then enter. So it will grant the private permissions. So after then type Y to finish this operation and then tap on enter. So guys, then tap on 0 to exit this operation. So and then simply type reboot and then tap on enter to reboot your device. So guys, after rebooting your device, so once I will try to link the bank account in Google Pay. So guys, here you can see that the bank account is linking. So here we eliminated the insert SIM card error. So guys, the bank account is linked successfully. So guys, with this process, we can run any banking application in routed devices. So guys, once you systemize the app, you can't uninstall completely. So if you want to uninstall the Google Pay, so simply open the Termex and then type SU to grant the root permissions. After typing SU and then type systemize and then tap on error, enter. So guys, so if you want to uninstall the Google Pay, so select the revert systemize apps. So tap on 4 and then tap on enter. Type 1 to select the Google Pay and then tap on enter. And then type Y and then tap on enter. And then type 0 to exit this operation and then simply reboot your device. And then type enter to reboot your device. So guys, after rebooting your device, now you can completely uninstall the Google Pay from your device. So guys, in this way you can fix the insert SIM card error and you can run any banking application in your rooted device. So guys, if you like this video, please just subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon guys. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.